We've done a couple of trial runs in our local area, which got a lot of attention from passers-by and dog walkers. But I don't think you can ever be fully mentally prepared for it, no.
So what practice have you put in?
Actually, none at all this year. We did do it last year, so we've got some insight into what's required. And last year we did have a run around the garden, but to be honest, there's not a lot you can do for it. Fortunately, my wife's quite light. I've been doing a little bit of work in the gym. It's just a short sprint, really, so there's not a lot you can really do to condition yourself for it.
Wet. It is wet out there. I think eliminating all the obstacles for us, so it's going to be a straight sprint up and down the hill. Very slippy. You could see one or two wives fall off along the way, but they've all got their helmets, I think, to protect them, so shouldn't be a problem.
My bucket.
Yeah. Hey! Beautiful lot, beautiful lot. Who here is married already? Lovely. Who here isn't yet married? Who's done the race before? Okay. Funny how they're all in the middle. Weather today is terrible. I mean, it's hail, it's gales, it's rain, it's pain, and really, it's a good introduction to marriage. Traditional point on the halfway. And that's not on the slippy ground. Okay, so everybody got grippy shoes? Oh, it's just started raining. 3, 2, 1, go!
Bloody hell.
Did we win?
Sorry, what's your number? Oh, 36.
Yeah.
Through here as well. Good carry.
So uncomfortable. Hard.
Excuse me.
It was good. Bit soggy.
She's light as a feather.
Well done, Josh. Did we win the dog food?
Yes. How was that, guys?
I think it was a lot harder
Fantastic.
than we were imagining.
And what was the ground like underfoot?
A little bit slippy. Firm on the way up, much more soft on the way down.
First place, winning this year's UK Wave Carrying Championships, it's Mark Threlfall and Cassie Yay! There'll be interviews and all the rest of it.
And was it more tricky than you thought?
It's hard, really hard. Yeah, no, it was really hard, especially that last kicker up to the turnaround. You just don't have that spring you normally would when you're running. It just seems to feel like you're getting lower and lower and lower.
I thought it was easier than I thought.
So, and as a passenger, how what motivation did you give him?
Hurry up.